So I've just listed on a couple of the services that is being offered in the market today in terms of these are all SMS-based services, nothing to do with voice. So Reuters Market Light, they launched it in October 2007, and they charge almost 175 rupees for a 3-month package, and there are people in the rural places subscribing to it. So that itself shows that there is a requirement and there is a market for this. So this number has gone up, number of daily messages have gone up, the price has also gone up. It used to be 175, it is more 175, it's in the range of 750 rupees. So people are still ready to pay that kind of a price. Just to give you an idea about how our country is linguistically placed, so some of the important languages and what are the challenges for any speech recognition company or a text input company in terms of languages. So just to take you now to the relevance of search. So again, some very basic points which I will not take much time on this because this is the challenge which an operator faces and which we almost all of us know. So what is the requirement for an subscriber or for an operator or any marketing guy and an operator? Demand for advanced features. Consumers today want more features. They want more data access and more productivity. Now, there are people who actually complain that there are too many features on the phone, but 90% of the features they are not even aware of. There are features which are hidden in applications which you do not even know or you may not have never used. And they never use or they don't know any such application until there is a mobile search that brings them up. And 80% of the users feel that it saves time if there is a mobile search application in handset. And this is all based on various the studies done by Mobile Marketing Association and eBrain Market Research. So how does search application in a mobile phone help? So you could increase your traffic to your portal by simplifying access to it. You could efficiently expose value-added content and services, increase your mobile advertising revenue. I'll explain each of them when I take you to the application directly. You could improve customer satisfaction, reduce the CRM cost by driving customer care calls to your portal rather than to your calls and agents. So this is an application which Nuance has launched in Barcelona in February this year. Now this is an application called T9 Nav. This is downloadable, sits in your handset, available for Symbian and Windows mobile handsets. What it does is it's a mobile search application which does on-device and off-device search. On-device search we all know, it searches for contents within the handset. But what is the off-device search? It also searches within the operator's VAS portal. And the search application works on keywords. There are certain keywords defined by the solution provider and the operator. Based on those keywords, it searches for those content. Let me just take you through a demo on this. So this is now it can help you find calendar items, it can help you find contacts, MP3s, notes, specific text or email messages. So you type free on your phone. You want to look at a dentist appointment, so just type it and did not type the entire dentist word. And it will list on entire anything that is there with DEN on your phone. So it will just not throw up the dentist appointment, it will also throw up applications, content that is there with the keyword DEN. You are in a meeting, you want to switch off put your phone in a silent mode. So normally what you do is you go to profiles, go to silent mode, put it off. Easiest way of doing it is just type SIL and you can see the application, just go and put it off. If you're looking for a content, you want to go to, you want to search for a song by Beyonce, so just type BEY. It will not only search within the phone, it will also search in the operator's VAS portal. And this is tabular based. You can see tabs in the mobile screen. So the first tab will just give the list of all the results of a search. Then you have the applications. Then you have something from the operator's VAS portal, something in your memory card, appointments. It also gives you the list of bookmarks that you have saved with that name. So it makes life easy. Life easy for an operator, it makes life easy for you as a user. So if you want to access Google, just type GWO. You're there in Google, just go and access Google. So there are various revenue models, that can be. We can actually use this for mobile advertising. I'll tell you how. Just to explain you what all the application has done in the demo previously. Now, the problem is that content searching, web browsing is often slow and very unsuccessful. It's mainly because there's a huge amount of the tree that you need to go. There's a huge amount of tech that you need to go through. So, keyword-based targeted search reduces that time and effort from your side. So, what it does for you, it saves your time, it gives you the content, it gives you a very enhanced customer user experience. For an operator, what it does, it makes its user access content easily. They can also promote a certain content. You can for pizza, you can have a tie-up with say Pizza Hut and tell Pizza Hut for each impression you pay us so much. So for pizza, we'll have the keywords set to Pizza Hut website. For flight tickets, we can set it to cleartrip.com. We charge Cleartrip for the impressions that results from the visit on the web page. So that's the revenue model which an operator can have in terms of mobile advertising and search engine. There are lots of applications which is hidden in your phone and in your voice portal or the VAS portal of the operator which you don't know. You've never heard about them, or neither the operator has advertised. So if you have such a search engine and you do a keyword-based search, you may run up to something you've never used or never seen, but you find it useful. So it results in usage of unused applications and services. So I'll take you to relevance of search and speech. Now we have seen how search is done using text input, using the predictive text technology. Now search can also be done using speech. The speech application can be downloaded on a mobile phone linked to the customer's network, and it can again do both on-device and off-device search. There's some examples. It could be directory assistance. The directory assistance, if you go and click on Starbucks coffee, it will show you the various schemes that is running. It will show you the direction map. Just click and get the direction for Starbucks. It will have the contact numbers. So with the search engines, you in just 6 clicks manage to get the result that you want. So the time that you have spent is just 35 seconds. If you do not have the search application, this is what you spend, 24 clicks. Or even 92 clicks, and they'll have time around 3 minutes, 10 seconds. So much of time you lose. Research studies show that beyond 30 seconds you lose interest. Any user who's trying to find an application and if he's there in a portal or in a VAS portal or in a content space, more than 30 seconds he just loses interest and he just logs off. And that's true for 92% of the cases. So it's very important that you make sure your subscriber is able to get the content within those 30 seconds in as lesser clicks as possible. So let me take you through one of the.
It is difficult and time-consuming, but